Are you looking to empower student leaders and foster a thriving, inclusive campus community? Ensuring that every student has the tools and opportunities they need to connect, participate, and thrive is critical. Imagine if students could join a club, sign up for an event, communicate with classmates, and more, all in one platform. CampusGroups, our student engagement platform, offers the most comprehensive set of tools for student life administration and discovery. Students can easily discover and register for campus events with personalized recommendations tailored to their interests, find organizations that they want to join, purchase tickets, and then view, download, and share their co-curricular transcript reflecting the skills they have gained. Students can also connect with the campus community via chat and discussion feeds, schedule advising and tutoring appointments, and access resources. You can provide students with an even more intentional learning experience using guided pathways and encourage participation with gamification. Plus, target communications to students so they receive the information they need when they need it through email, push notifications, or chat. CampusGroups is also designed for student leaders who can easily manage events with integrated forms, surveys, and election tools, track event attendance, and communicate with club members. And we know you're busy, so we've built in automations such as workflows and approval processes to eliminate manual tasks. And all of this in one platform. All the data gathered helps you gain insights to inform your strategy and proactively support students. CampusGroups is your all-in-one solution for enhancing student engagement.